Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today is September 1st and I wanted to start vlogging I wanted to start vlogging just a little bit, you know, and I wanted to just like show more of like my art stuff and schoolwork because I'm working on my portfolio this semester, and just anything like little crafty or DIY stuff that I'm going to be doing that like if I made a dedicated video towards it, it might just be kind of random. So yeah, so these vlogs are for everything because, you know, I have hair vlogs and those are just kind of pretty specific. So yeah, these are just like everything, just like daily life stuff, but mostly if I'm like making something and I wanted to show y'all. So today, like I said, is, hold on, I have music playing. So today is September 1st, Sunday. So this will be like my September vlog. I think that's cute. So yeah, it's 5:40 right now, and I haven't done anything today really. I've just been chilling because I didn't really feel that great, and I just finished my first week of class. So I was a little tired. I was just kind of like a little tired. But yeah, I'm testing out some new clip-ins from Melange. I got a new set and they're like longer, and this is a thicker set, so of course there'll be videos on that. I actually just filmed a complete like detailed like installing your clip-ins video for YouTube, so that'll be up already. You probably would have already seen that. So anyways, my camera is going to die and I didn't bring my charger, but I just wanted to like start the vlog. So yeah, Sunday at 5:41, and I have been like obsessed with watching hydro dipping videos for shoes. Like just today I just like started watching them, shoe customization, and I've done a few shoe customizations back in my day, like when Galaxy shoes on Tumblr were like super popular. Anything that was on Tumblr I probably did it, but I don't think I made a DIY for it on YouTube, but it's definitely on my Tumblr still probably. So hydro dipping, it's like I'm gonna show it and I'll probably just be on my phone then, so y'all will see all of that. But yeah, so I'm going to go get the supplies to do that. I just feel like making something. Like I haven't done anything all day, and all of a sudden I was like, okay, I have to do this. Like I need to buy some shoes, I need to do this. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. I'm dressed and ready to go. I don't have on anything too special. Let's see. So yeah, I said I was at my mom's because y'all might know this room that I take like photos in sometimes. And then you might know the room that I have all my other videos in, where it's like the plant and the brick wall. That's my dad's. So just if you're getting confused, I'm gonna head out and I will just catch y'all back when I come back with the stuff, if I don't decide to film while I'm out. So so I got this bucket to do the dipping, and I think it's only like $5. That's what the thing says. And then I'm gonna get red and black because I'm doing shoes that they're not mine, so I think that would look nice. And then I got this clear, and it says it seals and protects. So hopefully that's good for shoes. And then I might get this metallic. We'll see. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and check out. Thought y'all would care to see me clean up. So yeah, first thing to do is make my bed, because your room is just like automatically cleaner when your bed is made. So let's do that. Bed made. So this is what my desk is looking like. Hold on. I'm gonna try to cut this up a little bit. Alright y'all, so I've been filming all day. Just gonna go get some coffee. I'm gonna treat myself to coffee because one, I'm just treating myself to coffee because I've been working all day, but I need to continue to work. And I've been making my own coffee because the coffee that I like to get from Dunkin' the price has gone back up. Usually they have like some kind of promotion and the promotion ended. So they're back up to like almost $4 when sometimes they have promotions where it's like $1.60 something or 99¢. So I'm waiting for that to come back. But I thought I'd treat myself because I haven't been outside all day and I've been just working, so why not? I don't know if I'm getting sick or if I ate something that I wasn't supposed to. But my throat is itchy. It's been itchy when I wake up and stuff. Burn my candles out. Turn the light off. It's been on all day for no reason. I have to grab my phone and my wallet. I'm going through the drive-thru, so let's see what. Gotta grab the keys. Okay. Oh wait, I need to get some photos. Okay, so I think I have enough photos. So I'm trying to see if I want coffee or do I want a smoothie. Okay, so plot twist. I'm at Starbucks. I went to the smoothie place, but it looked a little busy and you have to get out and they are kind of slow. So didn't want to do that. I didn't want to get coffee if I could get something else because I can just have coffee at home. So if I get something else, I can just have both. So I'm gonna make coffee at home. So I'm gonna get something from Starbucks. I've been watching those like Starbucks videos, so I'm trying to look for something cool and different, but something like fruity and not coffee. Okay, also when I was watching them, some people were using like the reusable cups and stuff, and I need to get like another one because I have a coffee cup that's like that's reusable, but I want to get like another one so I can like stop getting straws in plastic cups. But I will say I do reuse my cups. Like I take them in the house and I clean them, and there's like a ton in a cabinet. I reuse them, so I try to help a little bit. I think I'm gonna try the mango dragon fruit refresher with like some extra stuff in it. I know that's like common, but I haven't tried it yet. I'm definitely gonna get another reusable cup this week, so I don't have to get the plastic stuff. I'll look for one this week.
Have a nice day, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I guess that's the dragon fruit with the little dots in it. So that's cool. And I got it with lemonade. There's barely any ice in it though. interesting. It tastes good. That's cool. It tastes like kind of like cranberry juice-ish. I don't drink like a lot of juice, so that's why I feel like it kind of tastes like cranberry grape-ish. Maybe just because it's purple. But yeah, that's cool. I like it. It tastes good.